Market conditions, the news, and probably your own gut are all kind of aligning to tell you the truth. Angelo DePaola, the Coastal Connection with eXp Realty. Last week we had a 0.75% in the short-term interest rate, and it kind of directly correlated with an increase in the 30-year fixed rate, which is about 6.3% right now. That's a long-term 30-year interest rate on primary residence. On investment property and second homes, that's actually going to be more up in the 7s and 8s. So what you're really seeing is a compression in the luxury market and that second home market, which is really affecting a lot of what we do down here at the beach. I think there's more room for prices to go down. I think as we go into next year, we will see interest rates start to go back down. I think we'll end up somewhere in the mid-4s. That's not just me. If you Google Fannie Mae interest rates 2023, you will see they're predicting somewhere about 4.5%. It's a couple months from now, so those things can always change. But what's the market look like? We're going to go through it real quick. Baldwin County as a whole, 35 days of inventory. There's a total of 3,483 properties for sale. Orange Beach, 485 properties for sale and 33 days of inventory. If we just looked at the new listings versus sold, and Gulf Shores, 652 properties for sale with 43 days of inventory. You will notice that inventory has gone up. Last week we were looking at 29, 22, and 38 as far as days of inventory on the market. I think this most recent interest rate hike is going to kind of compress that a little bit more. I can tell you we're seeing, we just now put a few properties under contract this week, but they're more of the primary resident properties. I think there's a lot of cash sitting on the sidelines looking for a good buying opportunity. Prices are still a little bit too rich for their blood. I think there's some more room before we get to the bottom. If we could all pick out the tops and the bottoms of markets, we'd be richer than Warren Buffett. If you want fair, honest advice, give me a call. We'll treat you right. We'll give you the same advice that we would do with our money. Angelo DePaola, the Coastal Connection. Catch you next week.